is a kind of UVC air disinfection panel light. Can be used in the occupied space. It is very convenient to operate with a remote control. Airflow acceleration systems will accelerate the air entering the device. The filter can effectively filter the harmful particles such as PM 2.5 in the air. The ultraviolet light illuminates the airflow to eliminate the bacteria and viruses. Special reflectors increase the UV intensity and improve the efficiency of disinfection. The disinfected air circulates back to the office. The UV light source is in a light enclosed space. Therefore, there will not be a threat to people and pets. When the filter and UVC tubes need to be replaced, the device will actively remind and they are easily replaced. It is also equipped with LED lighting with adjustable color temperature and brightness. Is suitable for hospital, office, store, supermarket and public area, etc. UVC air disinfection panel light. Make life safer and healthier.